Morning guys, I'm back with one more video for you guys before I go inside. And this is again MMA related video, and the topic of this video is with relation to the fight that was I think that has been announced or is in the works, as they say. And this fight is between Michael Chandler and Charles Oliveira. So the China fighter said that Michael Chandler will be fighting Charles Oliveira in November in co-main event, 5-round match, 5-round fight. So finally we're going to see some activity from Michael Chandler. I think he wasted a lot of time, but now it's good that he's getting back in the ring or in the octagon. But my only problem with this match is that we've seen this fight before. I mean, I have not seen because I cannot watch TV because of certain restrictions. But people have watched this fight before. Charles Oliveira has already beaten Michael Chandler, and so I don't know what either of these guys has any. I don't know what Charles Oliveira has to gain from this fight. For Michael Chandler, of course, he gains a couple of things. One thing, he's coming back into action, so that is always good. And then if he wins, and he's a dangerous fighter, he can win. We all know that. Look what he did to Johnny Ferguson. So he can win, so if he wins, then he would get his. This would be like his. He would get his loss back, and it will be like settling the score. But for Charles Oliveira, there is not much to gain. But we'll see. Maybe Charles Oliveira is fighting because then if he wins, maybe he can replace Michael Chandler against Conor McGregor, because I don't think Conor McGregor versus Michael Chandler is ever going to happen. And I also, let me also say this, that I don't think Conor McGregor will fight ever again. So again, that leaves Charles Oliveira in I don't know what kind of situation. I don't think Charles Oliveira has many challenges in front of him. His fight with Arman Tsarukyan was close. Maybe it should have been 5 rounds, it would have been better, but anyways, we'll see what happens in lightweight division right now. Who is the new challenger? Arman Tsarukyan is new challenger, but there are other guys down in the ranking like Gamrot, but Gamrot also lost recently to some guy. So we'll see what happens, There's, after many years, there's really not a lot to talk about in a lightweight division. Like, it's the same guys on top, they fall for each other. And the up and coming fighters are still falling short, except Arman Tsarukyan. So let's see, maybe Gamrot can recover, maybe what his name is, the guy, Dustin with that guy. Can't remember his name, French sounding name, but we'll see what happens. So anyways, the news is that Michael Chandler is finally going to fight after many years. And let's hope John Jones also fights and Stipe also fights. I hope that fight doesn't take place, but anyways, I don't want to see Stipe fight again. I don't know why he's even in trying to fight now. But we'll see what happens, guys. So nice morning. Birds are flying, cars are, people are driving cars, people are walking dogs. One boy I see playing basketball, some people playing tennis, some people walking. Good day, very good day. Alright, so now I will go inside. Okay, guys. Alright. Auf Wiedersehen.